rolling. I'm still fucking with you, my baby. Warm up. I just drunk a pint to be with IUI, cause I'm a drink guy. This rap shit changed my life, I gotta thank God. Before I go to jail, I'm plotting now on how to break up. Pop about a nigga dough with the Glock, he wanna take out. I used to sell real pills, but they fake now. Too much pressure on a nigga, I might break. But when I think about my kids, they motivate me, so I'm straight now. Oh, cause I got a couple dollars, so I'm fake now. They gon' really hate